Hello there! So this is another video for the beginners and for the beginner crochet series, and I'm just gonna keep it very simple. So in the previous two videos we have learned how to do a chain stitch, and then we have learned how to do single crochet, right? So once we know these two things, we can actually crochet something nice. So the next step that we are taking is to crochet a square shape where we can use the chain stitch and the single crochet. So it's very simple, okay? So first let's just make a slip knot like this, as we have learned. And now let's have 30 chain stitch, okay? Slip knot, and then let's count 30 chains. 1, 2. Okay, so here we are, 30 chains. Okay, so now we are going to do a single crochet. The next single crochet is going to be not in the second one here. We're not going to insert the hook here, but at the sixth. So here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, here we are going to insert the hook. So insert, yarn under, pull through, yarn under, pull through, and pull through again. So it will be like a small square like this. Now chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and for the next third chain we will insert the hook. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, insert the hook, yarn under, pull through, yarn under, pull through, and pull through. So you will see, if you see here, we have like 2 small squares. So just keep doing like this. 3 chains, 1, 2, and 3. And in the third stitch we will insert the hook and have a single crochet. So insert, yarn under, pull through, and then balance, and then yarn under, pull through, and pull through again. And let's do like this until the end. So it's normal that you might have 1 or 2 stitches left over, because we have 30, but I counted by 3. So okay, so this is 1 row, you see, and we can just do another one on top of that. Okay, we can do like this. We can do one pattern, can be like the same, on top of each square another square, or we can alternate, which means that the next square is going to be half here and half at the other one. So I am just going to do that design. Okay, so I will make 4 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then I will turn around like this, and here at the, so we have 1, 2, 3, and here at the second stitch I'm going to insert the hook, yarn under, pull through, and then yarn under, pull through, and pull through again. So this is like a half square, we can say. So for the next one, to pass from here to here, we are going to do 3 chains, 1, 2, 3, and then we have 3 stitches here, 1, 2, 3. I will insert the hook in the second one, the middle one. So insert the hook, yarn under, pull through, yarn under, pull through, and pull through again. So if you see here, we have a pattern, right? A nice design, simple one. So let's just keep doing that. 3 chains, 1, 2, 3. At the middle stitch, insert the hook, yarn under, pull through, and then yarn under, pull through again. Okay, so one more time. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Insert the hook at the middle stitch, yarn under, pull through, yarn under, pull through again. Okay, so let's do this until the end. So here at the last one, we just try to insert the hook somewhere here. Okay, this one is going to be a bit tight, but it's okay. And then we can just do another 4 chain stitches. So 4 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then turn like this. Okay, and then we will just do the same as we did here. So at the middle one, here, middle stitch, we will insert the hook, yarn under, pull through, and then again yarn under, pull through. So this is a single crochet, and we just keep doing the same. Okay, so this is a very simple stitch, but it's something that you can do once you know the 2 basic things that we learned in the 2 previous videos. Okay, so if you are new to my channel, I hope you like beginners. If you are not new, and maybe this is not for you, but just give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and thank you for watching.